I've been shopping. This wasn't planned. I went into Dunelm one weekend and they had some really nice bits and bobs that were on offer. And I was like, well, I'll get a couple of them. And then an idea went into my head, why don't I just get loads of nice little serving plates and bowls so that when I do some bakes, they have somewhere nice to go and be displayed and take photos of. And it's turned into this. So this is a combination of Dunelm, TK Maxx, Poundland, I'm including this, which is Lakeland, and then a store that I'm not sure how to pronounce, which is JYSK, so I'm saying JYSK. That is my attempt. So I'm going to show you everything that I bought and go through all of the prices. So first of all, I got these aprons. This one is from Dunelm, it's a bee pattern, and I think it was around £4-ish. The next one I bought, which I absolutely love, is this one from TK Maxx, and it was £6.99. Then, staying on the TK Maxx theme, this bowl was £3.99, as you can see, and it's a really bright orange with a dark blue rim, and then this is the outside of it. Then we have these two here. So they are separate, they didn't come as a set. This one was meant to be £8 and it was £2.12, and this one was meant to be £6 I think, and it was £1.50. They're both from Dunelm. I really like the colours of them, but I also like the bottom and the wood effect as well. I thought it was really cool. Then we have this from Dunelm too. I can't exactly remember how much it was. I think it was under £2. But I just liked that it was, you know, pink and white, and I thought it'd be really good to serve a slice of maybe tray bake in there with some custard on top. So that's that one. This one again was from TK Maxx. It's just a plain colour, but I really like the colour, kind of like a turquoisey colour, and it was also £3.99. This one was from JYSK, and I am a big fan of polka dots, so I had to get something polka dot themed, and this was £1.75. This one was also from JYSK. It was £3.50. It's not as colourful as the rest, but I just really like the pattern of it, and I like that it's a small and shallow bowl as well. This one is just a really plain one. It's from Poundland, so it was £1. This one was the first one I spotted in TK Maxx. I just love the colour of it, and I love the gold rim around the outside as well. This one was only £2.99. I thought it was going to be more expensive than that, but yeah, £2.99 for that. This one was from JYSK as well, a little serving platter. I thought it'd be really good for cupcakes. You probably get 3 cupcakes on there, just to like break up the photos a little bit. I think this was about £3. I can't remember exactly. I'll try and link everything in the description. Then I got a couple of bits and bobs from Poundland whilst I was there. This is some scrapers. So I was really interested in this top one because it's got this stripe effect and also this wavy effect. So once you have iced your cake, you can go around with this, and then you can fill in different colours in there if you want to, and it makes a really nice striped effect. And again, this was also from Poundland. I find piping bags really hard to get, not just from like buying from a store, but also quality. So I find that a lot of the supermarket ones aren't very good value. I'm not really expecting much from these because they were only £1, but I do just want to test them because of how cheap they were and see what they're like. Then obviously we have my new KitchenAid. I did a video on this last week, so I will link it in the description, but this was from Lakeland and it was £449, should have been £549, but when I last checked it was on further reductions for I think about £429, and this is my new pride and joy in the kitchen. So this is our mini haul. I'm not going to call it a full-blown haul because I haven't bought that much stuff, but I've really enjoyed buying it and shopping for it as well. I've tried to go for pops of colour, as you can tell, just to make things stand out on the photographs and in thumbnails and that kind of thing. So you will definitely be seeing a lot more of all of this in the coming videos. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next week for another one.